Hey everybody, this truck here is a replica of a real truck that sits parked outside the Little Ailey Inn in Rachael, Nevada, which is outside of Area 51. It's an old, about a 52 Chevy with a flatbed on it and a crane. And they got it sitting out front with a UFO hanging from the back of the crane. And so I looked at a lot of pictures of it. Took the bed off of I think this is a 51, 52 Chevy. And it's an old Atlas steel truck, so I made decals to put on it. But you can go look this truck up on Google and see what the real one looks like. But yeah, this was a Johnny Lightning, like a 51, 52 3100 Chevy pickup, step side. Obviously took the bed off, changed the tires on it. I scratch built the saucer, the crane, the bed, the bumper, the little grill guard there, and the mirrors. So it was either built out of wire or I 3D printed them. And so this one was kind of tedious, but I painted it up in a rust brown oxide first, and then no, actually I did spot painting of the rust brown oxide after I gray primered the body, and then I white primered the body. And I had salted all this, and so then I wiped the salt off, and then I took a little bit of Scotch-Brite, was rubbing it here and there to get the to rub some paint off. And so it's got dualies on the back. And so anyway, go Google that, take a look at that old truck over there, and tell me how close I got to it. So hey, don't forget to subscribe for the next time I put something up, you'll know. Hey, have a great day, everybody.